Hello everyone, welcome to Slay the War, Bombas and Majana. We are even skydiving for the wonderful and fabulous Disaster Ceremony, second edition, Man of Malaysia 2026, the next level. And beside me, we have the officially finalists for Man of Malaysia for 2026. Okay, maybe can start from the right of me. Maybe you can share with us how do you feel right now after being a finalist of Man of Malaysia 2026?
Hi everyone, my name is Arif. Perasaan saya hari ini satu perkara yang baru. Saya join competition pageant. Jadi saya rasa amat bangga dapat menjadi finalis untuk Man of Malaysia tahun 2025. Jadi apa yang saya akan buat adalah saya akan bagi yang terbaik insya-Allah untuk competition kali ini dan akan target untuk dapatkan title.
Hi guys, I'm Justin, and I'm actually after announcing the Man of Malaysia finalists, I'm really excited and I'm looking forward to the journey ahead of us. I think it's not going to be easy, but I think we're going to be successful in it, and I wish everybody good luck.
Hi, my name is Daniel. I'm very excited to be one of the finalists of Man of Malaysia, and there is a lot of tough competition ahead, but I'm sure that I can make it further in this final. Thank you.
Hai, Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Muhammad Afiq Naufal. Saya dari Pulau Pinang. So, perasaan saya untuk Man of Malaysia ni agak excited dan nervous sebab jadi top finalist dan yang lain pun agak kompetitif. So, insyaAllah saya akan buat yang terbaik.
Alright, that's wonderful for all of you. So I wish you best of luck in your journey in the Man of Malaysia 2036 edition for the second edition, the next level. So again, best of luck. Bye-bye.